So guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can register a widgets area in your WordPress website. So as you can see, there is an empty section here in the right side. I'm going to add a widget section here, so let's see how you can do it. Okay, for adding a sidebar you need to go to the functions.php file. So inside this functions.php you need to write a action hook, add action, the whole action's name is widgets init, widgets init. Okay, our function name is, we will make our functions name at prefixable with our domain name. So our domain name is alpha sidebar. We make our function name is alpha sidebar. Okay, now I'm going to write the function here, function alpha sidebar. Okay, this is our function. So inside inside the function we need to register the sidebar. So the function's name is register sidebar. Okay, register sidebar. We're gonna take an array here, okay, close this. Okay, inside this array, okay, first option is name. So whatever the sidebar name you wanna take, so we're gonna make it translatable, so that's why. So the sidebar name is single post sidebar. Okay, so if we will make it translatable, we need to give the text domain name here. Okay, this is our text domain. Okay, so then next parameter is id, which is very important. id name is sidebar1. Okay, then the next parameter is description. Okay, the description is, we will make this translatable as well. So the description is right sidebar. Okay, right sidebar. Okay, then the text domain alpha. Okay, then the next parameter is before widget. Okay, we are gonna take a section here, section tag. Okay, then you're going to take an id here. Okay, the id is %1 $s. So if you don't understand, this is called php as printf function, so you can take whatever you want. Okay, class. Okay, class is widget %2 $s. Okay, this is our section. Okay, so this parameter is done. Okay, the next parameter is after widget. Okay, so after widget the section tag will be closed here. Okay, section tag will be closed here. Okay, then the next parameter is before title. Which is, we will make it into h2 tag, Okay, inside the h2 class, the class name is widget title. Widget title. Okay, the next parameter is after title. Okay, then after title we have to close the h2 tag. Okay, this is it. I hope you understand this. First of all, make the add we took an action hook file which is called widgets in it. Then our function name, this is our function. So inside the function we make this function called register sidebar. Inside the register sidebar we create an array. Inside the array firstly is name, then id, which is most important thing, then description, then before widgets, after widget, before title, after title. So as you can see, as you don't understand it, this is the PHP functionality which is printf, and if you don't understand this you can ignore this as well. Okay, so our widgets is registered. Now we are gonna show it this in single.php or call md4 sessions. So inside this you need to take, firstly you need to take a php tag. Okay, sorry, php tag. Okay, we're gonna take a function if is active sidebar. This is active sidebar, which means that if any active sidebar is enabled, so the name of the sidebar is, which is our id. So you need to copy this. Okay, copy this. Okay, if there is any sidebar available, active sidebar available, I need to show it. So dynamic sidebar, if is active sidebar. Okay, dynamic sidebar. Okay, close it. Okay, there is no bracket. Okay, we made a mistake here. We took the bracket less. Okay, now it's perfect. So firstly we took a php tag, inside that which is active sidebar, and sidebar id, which is this one. Okay, then the dynamic sidebar also. Now go to the website. Okay, as you can see, this is our website. Now reload this. As you can see, there is no widgetized area is showing here because that we didn't add any widgetized area on our WordPress admin dashboard. So go to appearance and then go to widgets. Okay, as you can see, this is our single port sidebar that we added. Okay, I'm going to show you how it can be reloading. Okay, this is the place where it is loading. Okay, now we're going to add something. Okay, firstly we're going to add a search option here, like a search. The placeholder is search. Okay, then I'm going to add another we're going to add a calendar here. Okay, now update this. Okay, then reload this. As you can see, our widgetized area is showing on our website. So this is how you can add and register a widgets in your WordPress website. So I hope it will help you. So thank you.